Sometimes you just need to go for a walk in nature with nobody around. Because in nature, there is no stress. There is no anxiety. There is no worry, no doubt, no depression. Trees don't get depressed. Grass, flowers. The river doesn't get depressed. These mountains, they don't get depressed. They just are. And they are beautiful. So, if you get stressed and anxious and need a break, drive out into the country. Drive out to the mountains. Drive out somewhere and spend some time with our friend nature. Our friend nature who doesn't get stressed about anything. Enjoy. Take some big deep breaths. Listen to the water. Enjoy the beauty. Clear your head. I love you.